Hello, in this video I will show you how to change the wallpaper on your Series 10 Hiwatch Ultra Smartwatch. The first step is to scan the QR code on the smartwatch to make sure that it is using the Hiwatch Ultra application. If your smartwatch is using any other application like Fit Pro, Hiwatch Pro or Fit Cloud Pro, you may find videos on my channel on how to connect these smartwatches to your phone. Install the application on your smartphone. Turn on Bluetooth and GPS location on your phone and make sure that your phone has an internet connection. Open the application on your phone and follow the steps shown in the video to connect your smartwatch to your phone. Once connected, the time and date will update automatically on the smartwatch. Once connected, follow the steps shown in the video to change the wallpaper on your smartwatch to any picture from your phone. Thank you for watching this video and please subscribe to my channel.